signature festival, Art by the Sea, here at Miami Beach at the Miami Beach Bandshell. And we've had a glorious day full of art, science, and lots of fun. My name is Danny Washington. I am the co-founder of Big Blue and You. We're a nonprofit based here in Miami. We've been around for about 18 years, working with young South Florida youth to get them engaged in the ocean, to learn about the ocean through art and science. We really hone in on the power of play and bringing kids together with their families to enjoy what South Florida has to offer and what the ocean has to offer.
My name is Amie Snow and I lead our brand partnerships here at Big Blue and You Art by the Sea 2026. It has been such a pleasure seeing all the kids just get stuck into the art activations, the science activations with their parents and their friends and their aunties. It's a multi-generational festival as well. So although we had things for kids, we had things for parents.
My name is Jordan King, and I'm a scientist that did research in the Everglades. This is my chameleon. They're a non-native or invasive species. Events like Art by the Sea is important because it helps to spread awareness to the community about the importance of ocean conservation. We could get more diverse groups into learning more about the ocean and the Everglades by them just volunteering in any type of work that's going on around those things.
For me personally, as a Black woman who is in marine science and ocean conservation, events like this are very important because it's all about exposing young people from every part of our community to understand that there's a place for them here. We want kids to know that anything's possible, and the ocean, full of wonder and amazing things, is a place for them too. In 5 years' time, I see Art by the Sea scaling up around the world. We specifically want to take it to the Caribbean, to the islands first, because that's part of my roots. I'm a Jamaican American, and then beyond. We want to go to every type of coastline that we can find and bring this to life for kids all over the world. You can support our mission in a multitude of ways, but we really, really need partners who are going to be with us throughout the journey as we scale up this festival, take it to different locations. We want you to come with us. We're really grateful for all the sponsors and partners that came on board for 2026 here in Miami Beach. Open Water, Iberostar, Schmidt Family Foundation, Miami-Dade County. Financial partnerships are always the best, but in-kind donations are wonderful as well, and we just need help spreading the word. Give it up for our team, Big Blue.
I'll see you guys here at Art by the Sea in 2027.
Art by the Sea 2027.
We'll see you at Art by the Sea 2027.